Hi, today I'm with my Oppo A98 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while empty space on our home screen with the finger. Then you'll see widgets icon, just tap on it and you'll see here all of the available applications with widgets you could add. For example, let's add the calendar shadow, tap on this widget and now the widget added automatically to your home screen. If you wanna move this widget here on the screen or between the screens, you should just hold it and drag it. You could also resize the widget just by hold it, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. Let's try it on another screen. So as you can see, that's so simple. And if you want to remove widget from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove widgets icon, confirm your action, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.